Okay, I heard we are ready. Yeah, let's see how ready you are because Manjushri decided to team up with the two heads to support me for the next move and also I curse you with Isa because you cheated, you bastard, and you're still a dick. But the pyramids are still protecting you. What the hell? Pépère. Tu vas voir ta gueule, Pépère. Ah, je t'aime, hein, mais ça fait depuis 1992 qu'on n'a pas joué aux échecs. Ben voilà, et puis entre-temps, Pépère, j'ai quand même inventé tout ça pour toi, hein. Bah, tout ça pour ta maison, hein, il me semble. Ah bah, à cause des momies, hein. Bah, il faut bien que je vous libère des momies, vous êtes toujours avec les momies. C'est pas vous qui possédez les momies. Pépère Mémère, euh, faut que je vous clarifie un truc, là. Je vous ai divorcé, hein. Mémère, elle a disparu, hein. Ah bah, elle est partie en enfer direct, hein. Fou. Oh là là, quelle sorcière, celle-là. Ah bah, c'était comme la femme de Ramsès, en fait. Ramsès le deuxième. Il avait dit la même chose au sujet de sa femme. Qui était, moi, il m'avait dit que c'était une de mes incarnations d'avant, donc c'est pour ça que j'ai eu un mal de chien à le sortir du Yum. Donc c'est pour ça que c'est un faux Yum. It's still a fucking faux Yum, I don't care, even if there's 5 people in it. Because there's not supposed to be a human in it. Yeah, so there's one human that sneaks in somehow, but I'm gonna get him out. Shit, I can't. Oh. Uh. Oh, but what are you gonna do? Well, that's what you're gonna lose the next one. That's for sure. Oh yeah, that's for sure, says Anubis. Because well, Anubis, yeah. But still you're still playing against Anubis. I mean you should not have joined that game. That's my husband you're talking about. And he's been my husband since 1996. Okay, I was 14, it was not legal in France, but he did not do anything to me. He's a gentleman. Yeah, so that's why this is happening now. And he's on my side, obviously. I mean, if my former Lama is not on my side, then who's on my side? Says Horus. Ooh, you pissed him off again. Okay, Horus, you know that Wunjo I had put on you when you woke up? When I resuscitated you myself, says Isis to me. Ah, because I am Isis now? No, I've always been a priestess of Isis, thank you. So I remove the Wunjo. I give you Hagalas. Hagalas. Yeah, fuck them all up in the Middle East. Yeah, I was too nice to them, thank you, says Anubis. Him again. Who you're gonna lose that next one? Oh, you have Isa, which is Isa. Isa, you don't know your runes, huh, Buddhist? You do not know your runes, but I do. Isa, well, Google Isa up. So that means that is the last move, because he can't move anymore. My opponent cannot move anymore, because I put Isa. I curse you with Isa. No movement for you, no planes, no chariots, no nothing, no vehicles, as you say in Buddhism, or whatever, you know. Who's the Buddhist now? Yeah, who now? Yeah, still on that meep, saying, yeah, not on the course, but I stole the method, yeah. Obviously, that's what I do. What do you mean steal? I worked as fuck for this. I never worked as hard for any course I've taken in my life. So, yeah, we'll see if it pays off now that MIPAM course with Blazing Wisdom from 2020 to 2021 and Google my fucking no advice here for once. I do have those on my side. And now I'm the hangman because of the judgment, you mean? Yeah, you made the judgment, you were a dick. And now you get Isa, and you're on the ships. Yeah, well, good luck with Charles de Gaulle. That thing is gonna prove. Charles de Gaulle, il en veut beaucoup à président Macron d'avoir envoyé son pauvre porte-avions qui lui demandait juste d'être à la retraite en mission suicide, là, hein. Merci beaucoup, il va se faire couler celui-là, hein, ça c'est sûr. Bah oui, parce qu'on fait de la bataille navale ici avec les échecs des Rosicruciens, là. Ouais, c'est ça, les Rosicruciens, ouais. Bah, ça tombe bien. Salut les Rosicruciens de Metz. Thierry Pouchedou, vous êtes là? Je suis dans la merde. Un peu à cause des enseignements, non, c'est pas de votre faute, je vous adore. J'aime bien les Rosicruciens, moi. C'est les seuls qui m'ont toujours. Les Rosicruciens, franchement, j'ai rien à dire. Golden Dawn, bof. Il y avait David Griffin dedans, alors ça allait pas du tout. Bah, comme d'habitude, c'était lui qui menait l'ordre, hein. David Griffin, you still a twat for what you did to my friend Stephen. Yes, Stephen is my friend. Stephen Ash is my friend, even though he liked Crowley, Beth. Yeah, Bathsheba Ash and you. Gematria will drive you crazy. Stop it, Beth. Stop the Gematria. Just focus on the Kabbalah, the core teachings of the Kabbalah, which you already know. Stephen is waiting for you. You know what that means? You remember the last reading I sent you by email? Yeah, but that was you, Beth. That was you. Just you, from Steven, you idiot. And you know what, you've been messing with me, huh? Oh, my friend Beth. No, but seriously, Beth, stop the Gemasphere. Yeah, you did good work. The Jewish people didn't understand it because they were just Jewish and not Kabbalists. It's the same with the Muslim and the Sufis. Yeah, I'm on the Sufi side. Exactly, the Sufi, same as the Kabbalists. We agree. Yeah, okay. Phew. So, what was your next move again? Yeah, because you're gonna lose so well. Oh, you can't move. You cannot move, but I can because I lost the last one anyway. So, yeah, let's see if I can save myself with just one move. And who's that? Ooh, I'm Judgment, so now I'm judging you, and now I'm a take now. And I have Shin, I have the ships. Let's see who wins. Okay, then you have to move again. I remove the Isa. Okay, I'm gonna give you another room. Okay, sorry, I was wrong. Yeah, well, there is 4 moves. If I say there's 4 moves, I'm going to put the fucking Isa here. Oh, this is my least favorite runes. Yeah, well, where am I going to put this Isa? On the fucking Leprechaun. Leprechaun. Yeah, you bastard. Yeah, you little gnarly bastard from the London Tavern. I see you. I will come back to London Tavern when they decide to hire me as a voyante. Eh ben, si vous m'engagez comme voyante, London Tavern, ben je reviens, mais sinon je reviens pas. Bah, allez vous faire foutre. Bah, vous avez qu'à m'engager, vous avez qu'à me payer pour une fois, tiens. Bah, bon, je peux mettre un chapeau. Voilà. Oui, je peux mettre un chapeau. Comme ça, les gens, ils mettent ce qu'ils veulent et puis ils viennent. Comme ça, je ne demande pas 10 euros à des gens qui n'ont pas 10 euros. On est d'accord. Bon, bah, je reviendrai à la London Tavern, ok? Hein, sorry, that was my loco. I live here, you know. It's a hellhole, but I have to live here, and that's your fault. Yeah, for the 1985 year I had, where I survived something impossible to survive, thanks to Lucifer, my friend. And I saved Lucifer. Yeah, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, I can't remember. I was in trance. Bah oui, parce que je suis voyante, bande de connards. Bon, alors, on était où? C'est pas parce que je suis handicapée que je peux pas être voyante, justement, au contraire. Demande à Docteur Doir, hein, tiens. D'ailleurs, faut que je le rappelle, bien. Bah, demain, 16h30, comme prévu. Comme ça, j'aurai un rendez-vous en personne, quand je pourrai me traîner avec ma fille, à moins que j'ai le crédit de la banque et que je puisse m'acheter une voiture. Voilà, Docteur Doir. Okay, that was my psychiatry section of my move. I think so far I'm doing good. Yeah, because I played Judgment, you couldn't move. You still... Aha, now it's a pity move. I'm gonna give you a pity move. That's it. Okay, I'm not even looking. Oh, you want to be here? You sure? Because this is justice. Well done, you will be judged by the highest authority ever. Lamed, the angels. Yeah, and who is head of the angels now? Well, it's Lucifer. Hey, Lucifer. Oh, hang on, I'm going to bring him here. This is going to be fun. Oh, sorry, I left you in the dark, my friend. No, he wanted to be part of this. Yeah, he wanted to be part of this because he owns Chartreuse now. Yeah, I said he did, and I still have... Merci les moines, j'ai encore du remède qui guérit tout. Bah, bien sûr, je l'ai pas tout bu, hein, je suis pas... Bah, des fois, je le mets en fait, pour les moines, ça c'est pour les moines. Non, ça c'est pour les moines du monastère qui font les chartreuses et qui sont des super. Et qui ont une recette qui est géniale. Oui, c'est des moines chrétiens, bah j'aime bien les chrétiens aussi, moi. Bah, je suis panthéiste, moi, monsieur... monsieur S. Panthéiste. I am a pantheist, you idiot. I am a pantheist psychic. Yeah, well, good luck with that in the current apocalypse, huh? Ooh, those ships. Ooh, so much money. Ooh, wasted over wars that mean nothing to the gods. They just want their... Yeah, sorry, I have to shut up now.